Have you ever faced this problem? You've spent a lot of time curating playlists on Apple Music, but now you want to move them to YouTube Music. Manually adding each song one by one is time-consuming and frustrating. Today, I'll show you a simple way to transfer your Apple Music playlists to YouTube Music using Playlist Go. With just a few clicks, you can move all your playlists quickly and effortlessly. Playlist Go supports Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Tidal, Deezer, so you can move your music library from one streaming service to another with ease. First, download and install Playlist Go. Then, open the tool. The left side is the source platform, and the right side is the destination platform you want to transfer to. Click Apple Music on the left. Here, we're already logged in to our account, so it will automatically display all the playlists and albums in your Apple Music account. Choose the playlists you want to transfer. You can pick multiple at once. Next, choose YouTube Music as the destination. We're already logged in here too. If you have multiple accounts, you can click Add to switch accounts. Now, click Transfer to begin. The time it takes will depend on how many songs are in your playlists. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see the results. Some songs may fail to transfer. For example, here we have 2. But overall, the success rate is very high, saving you a lot of time and effort. And that's it. Your Apple Music playlists are now successfully transferred to YouTube Music. No more manual adding, no more wasted time, just an easy, efficient way to move your music. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.